press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hello, Namaste. My name is Snit Pontyal and today I will be talking about the 5 basic asanas that you can do at home if you've been spending a lot of time sitting in a chair. Sitting in a chair is pretty bad for your health. It's bad for your back, leads to stiff shoulders, pain in your neck, blood circulation, heart health. So these 5 asanas will help you counteract all these things. The only thing that you need to remember before I begin is please do not exert your body. You don't need to reach that extra deep stretch. Please do whatever you're comfortable with. The aim of these asanas is for you to be more in tune with what your body needs and what it wants. So just don't exert yourself. Let's begin.
Balasana or child's pose. Balasana is a gentle stretch for your back, hips, thighs and ankles, and it really helps relieve back pain. Rest your thighs on your heels and sit on your heels. Spread your knees as wide as your hips or your mat and keep the tops of your feet on the floor with your big toes touching. Inhale and raise your arms up and exhale, bringing your body gently forward. Rest your belly between your thighs and root your forehead on the floor. Your hips should touch your ankles. If they don't, then stack your fists and rest your forehead on the fists. Relax your shoulders, jaw and eyes. Stay as long as you like and reconnect with your breath. Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana gives you a deep and powerful backward stretch to your spine as every vertebra is pulled back. This helps keep your spine flexible. Lie down on your abdomen and bring your feet together. Place your forehead on the floor and your hands underneath your shoulders, palms downwards. Your fingertips should be in line with the top of your shoulders and your elbows slightly raised off the ground and bent towards each other. Make sure your toes are outwards and not tucked in. Now inhale and raise your forehead and nose, brushing your chin against the ground. Push your chin forward and slowly roll the body up and back. Keep your abdomen on the ground. Don't hunch your shoulders. Make sure they're back and down away from your ears. In the beginning, you can hold this position for 10 seconds. Now inhale deeply and keep your head back. Exhale and slowly roll out of the cobra. You can rest your forehead on your palms and keep your feet apart with just the toes touching. Paschimottanasana, head to knee pose, provides a comprehensive stretch to the entire back of the body from your neck down to your heels. Now sit up, keeping your legs straight and the toes pointing back towards your body. Inhale and stretch both your arms up over your head. And as you exhale, bend forward using your hips and stretch, reaching for your toes. Keep the back as straight as possible and try to catch hold of your toes. If you can't hold your toes, then hold your ankle or the shins. Most important thing to remember is keep looking forward. Now inhale and stretch your arms back up. Exhale and bring your arms down. Padhastasana is a forward bending stretch. It's good for your spine as it makes it supple, the spine is lengthened, your hamstrings and other muscles on the back of your legs and lower body are also stretched. Stand straight with your feet together. Inhale and raise your arms over the head. Keep your arms straight and next to your ears. Exhale slowly as you stretch your body downwards, bending from the hips and keep your knees straight. Now catch hold of the back of the legs and bring the forehead in as close to the knees as possible. If this isn't comfortable for you, then you can leave your palms on the floor in line with your toes. Hold this for as long as comfortable and keep breathing. To come out of the position, inhale and stretch up until you return to the original standing positions with the arms stretched over your head. Exhale and bring your arms to the side. You can repeat this 3 to 4 times. Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand. This asana benefits the entire body. Lie flat on your back and bring your feet together. Inhale and bring your legs up to a right angle and lift the hips off the ground. Support the back with your hands. Straighten your body and walk your hands down the back until you're resting on your shoulders. Try to straighten the back as much as possible. Your toes should point upwards. Relax your calf muscles and keep the knees straight and feet together. Breathe deeply through your nose. Lower your feet and bring your hands flat on the floor behind the back. Push the hands into the floor and try to use them as a brake. Concentrate on keeping your head on the ground and slowly lower yourself out of the position, unrolling the body.